Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a custom code snippet in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then log in to your Hostinger account and click on websites. And next to the website that you want to add your custom code snippet on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and first thing, let's show you how to add a code or a custom code snippet in this blank section. So click on this plus icon or elements. This add elements page slides in, scroll down to embed code and drag and drop it just like that. Click on enter code, delete this default code. And now the custom code that I will use in this tutorial video is a custom code snippet from YouTube. So I will go to YouTube and let's add this video custom code, for example. So I will copy the embed code copied. Then I will paste it here, click on embed code, and the custom code will be previewed here. Now don't forget to update your website. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And the custom code will be previewed here. Now don't forget to update your website. Now that my website is updated, let's view the custom code live. This is my custom code result. Let's see. As you see, I'm not sure why it was not completely previewed here. Let's refresh the page. I'm not sure why, but usually it should be previewed here. So this preview should be looking the same exact one here. But don't worry, the most important is that my custom code is added successfully. And this is how to add a custom code snippet in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.